got you on the mower and it's not collecting the grass, it's all gathering at the front of the bag. Not sure what was causing the problem, thought it was the blade originally, but it turns out that the bag itself is blocked. All of the, it's supposed to have air, that air can get through it, it breathes this material, and it's blocked with all the old debris. It needs a good clean so it can get some flow through it to catch the grass. So we'll give it a jet wash and it should sort its problem out. Oops, I can turn it on. Oh. Straight away you can see the difference, hey, the light is now coming through this material, whereas before it was completely blocked up. So we'll give that a good gain over and it should make a world of difference to it. Yeah, I'll do for now. There you go, nicely jet washed, and you can actually see daylight through it now. You see how much cleaner it is, and now we can see light through it. The air will be able to get through it as well. You can actually see the material when it's clean. It's every single stitch has got a hole in it, and as soon as they get blocked up, the bag just doesn't collect properly, which will get all that grass collating at the back of the bag rather than at the front. So yeah, job's a good one. So that's the bag all cleaned up. Let's pop it back on and blow it out so it dries it up. Absolutely love this mower. It starts first pull every time. It's so reliable. Even if it's been stood through the winter, it just powers straight up. I lift that up now and it sounds like a Chinook. It's got so much airflow going through it. That bag is blowing beautiful now. It's got so much air coming out of it, so those grass cuttings are just going to shoot straight to the back of that bag and fill it up nicely. It's venting out through the top. Absolutely brilliant. Job's a good one. Beautiful. And there we have it. So bag's all ready for a new season. If that's been of any use to you, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.